The third generation Octavia A7 is designed on the MQB platform. The units are common with Volkswagen and Audi models. Liftbacks are assembled in Russia, station wagons in the Czech Republic. Restyling in 2017 touched on the exterior, optics, interior, and equipment. The mechanical part remained unchanged. Engines. Petrol 1.2 and turbo diesel 2.0 gradually dropped out of the initial range of engines in Russia. There are few of them on the market. When choosing, you can take into account that the nature of 1.2 TSI is very similar to 1.4 TSI EA211 family. The turbo diesel, without a particulate filter, 143 horsepower, with the filter, 150 horsepower, is generally praised, promising trouble-free operation up to 150,000 kilometers. The 1.8 TSI engine, 180 horsepower, EA888 family, also does not cause any particular complaints. It has a durable timing chain drive. 1.4 TSI, 140 or 150 horsepower, is considered problematic by inertia, because its ancestor of the same name was often and variously ill. In the new generation motor, most childhood diseases were cured, although some still survived. He can suddenly be puzzled by the noise of the phase shifters, the occurrence of rings, or the jamming of the turbine actuator. They release a repair kit. But with good care, it often serves up to 300,000 kilometers. Except for 1.8, it is installed only on cars in expensive trim levels. Then the most reliable option is aspirated 1.6 MPI. There are weak points, but they are treated without high costs. The engine runs up to 400,000 kilometers. For all gasoline engines, the plant allows oil consumption up to 0.5 L/1000 kilometers. Transmission. Robot DSG-7, especially in versions before 2014, after the end of the warranty, is better to bypass. The upgraded version also has clutch and mechatronics breakdowns on any run. The DSG-6 unit is more reliable. Resource is about 200,000 kilometers, but is only available with the 1.8 engine. 6-speed automatic, Japanese Aizen 9G. He didn't appear to be anything particularly terrible. He does not like abrupt starts and slips. He is prone to overheating, up to the need to stop and cool. The main diseases are associated with clogging of the insides with wear products. Change the oil more often. 5-speed mechanics, MQ250, are classified as unkillable. Only accelerating bearing wear, sometimes, is blamed on it. A weak node is called a thermostat assembly with the coolant pump. Both can break. Leaks are treated by replacing the entire assembly. The knock of the rear shock absorbers is a feature of the adapted suspension, but in some cases they were replaced under warranty. Rear shocks don't last long on their own. Often the bulbs of external and internal lighting burn out due to shaking on bad roads.